Over the past 11 years, India has experienced significant transformation. From bustling metropolitan cities to the emerging urban centers, the country's infrastructure and connectivity has expanded multifold sectors such as civil aviation, railways, highways, ports, power, and more. By establishing a strong foundation for a future-ready India, Tamil Nadu has emerged as a key beneficiary of this growth, witnessing major boosts to all infrastructure sectors. Tamil Nadu, one of the most industrialized and culturally rich states, continues to play a crucial role in India's economic progress, is being gifted with 8 infrastructure projects worth Rs 4,900 crore, set to transform the development landscape of the region. Catering to the growth of civil aviation, a new state-of-the-art airport terminal building with area of over 17,000 square meters, and its allied infrastructure including a new ATC tower cum technical block at a cost of over Rs 450 crores, and a new apron and extension of runway to 3,115 meters from the existing 1,350 meters to accommodate larger aircraft. The new terminal is capable of serving 20 lakh passengers annually, which is 6 times more than the existing capacity. Also features various amenities which elevate passenger experience. The eco-friendly terminal design is a harmonious blend of tradition and contemporary architecture, reflecting the rich heritage of Tamil Nadu, while the interiors elegantly showcase the rich tapestry of local art and culture. To achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat by 2047, Government of India is rapidly upgrading the highway, railway, ports, and power distribution projects across the country. The 2 major road projects worth over Rs 2,500 crore marks a major step towards strengthening Tamil Nadu's infrastructure and connectivity. The first project involves the 4-laning of the Sethiathope to Cholpuram segment of NH36, which stretches over 50 kilometers, executed at a cost of over Rs 2,300 crore, featuring 34 kilometers of brownfield alignment and 16 kilometers of bypasses, which also includes 7 flyovers, 4 major bridges, and 13 vehicular underpasses, cutting travel time by 45 minutes between Chennai and the Delta district Thanjavur. The second project pertains to the 6-laning of the Tuticorin Port Road section of NH 138, spanning 6 kilometers, has been developed at a cost of Rs 200 crore, significantly enhancing port connectivity and quicker cargo movement. Tamil Nadu is all set to ride on the fast track of growth with transformative rail projects worth over Rs 1,000 crores. The Madurai to Bodinakkanur rail line electrification, a 90-kilometer project completed at a cost of nearly 100 crore rupees, promises faster and environment-friendly journeys to passengers. The doubling of the Nagarkoil town to Kanyakumari railway line of 21 kilometers stretch, built at a cost of Rs 650 crore, and that of Aralvai Moji to Nagarkoil junction and Tirunelveli Valley to Melapalayam sections, built at a cost of over Rs 280 crore, will fulfill the aspirational of people for faster journeys. The VO Chidambaram Airport in Tuticorin has augmented infrastructure by constructing a new North Cargo Berth 3 at a cost of Rs 285 crore. Will enhance the cargo handling capacity of the port by about 7 million metric tons per annum. This will improve overall port efficiency and optimize cargo handling logistics, including dry bulk cargo. A project worth nearly Rs 550 crore for the evacuation of power from Kudankulam. Unit 3 and 4 under ISTS entails the implementation of a transmission system from the Kudankulam nuclear power project to the Tuticorin gas insulated substation. This 206 circuit kilometer transmission scheme enables the transfer of 2 gigawatt of clean and sustainable energy to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Puducherry, which will further elevate Tamil Nadu, South India, and India as a whole to greater heights of growth and development.